Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Moshumi. Today we will learn how to make naan at home without oven and without yeast. So let's begin. Here I am taking 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour in a large bowl. After adding the maida, I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and I am mixing them with my hand. Now I am adding half cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ghee. Again I'll mix them with my hand very well. Here, as I am not using yeast, that's why the yogurt and baking powder and warm milk is needed. Now I'll add warm milk little by little to make a dough. The dough will be sticky at the very first, but don't worry, we need that kind of dough only for the naan. So I am adding little bit of warm milk at a time and I am mixing the dough together. You don't need to knead the dough too hard, just mix them all together. My dough is ready. I am applying 1 tablespoon of oil to it and I'll cover with a cling wrap and rest it for 1 hour. After 1 hour is done, I'll sprinkle 1 tablespoon of flour or maida to it and knead the dough for 2 minutes with my hand. The stickiness of the dough will reduce after adding the maida. So here my dough is almost ready. Now I'll divide the dough into 4 equal parts. I can make 4 naan out of this dough. So here I have 4 equal parts. Now I'll grease a flat wooden surface like that with oil and my rolling pin also, so that the dough doesn't stick to this. I have taken one dough with my hand, press little bit and roll with the help of the rolling pin like this in a thick oval shape. But you can roll in any shape if you want. I am applying butter on one side. Here I have few kalonji or nigella seeds. If you don't want this step, you can make as it is without the kalonji and chopped coriander also. After adding the coriander, I am just pressing it with my rolling pin little bit so that they stick with the naan. Now flip it on the other side and apply little bit of water with your hand. Preheat a tawa. We need a preheated hot tawa like this. Here I have a hot tawa and place the naan water side on the preheated tawa and press with your finger little bit gently. Let it cook for 2 minutes on that side. In these 2 minutes you will see the bubbles are coming up from the surface. Now gently hold the tawa and flip it near the flame. Don't keep it too near so that it might burn on a few places. Just keep it moving with your hand in every place so that it cook evenly. See, I am moving the tawa in every side of the naan. You can see the bubbles are coming up. That means it's cooking. So one of my naan is ready. I'm taking it out of the pan. You can see how good it has cooked. Now in the similar process, roll one more naan, apply butter on one surface. Here I have finely chopped garlic. I am applying it, sprinkling on that side, and also I am adding chopped coriander leaves to it. Similar way, I'll press the side gently with my rolling pin so that the garlic stick with that naan. Flip it and apply water in the same method. Like this. Again, preheat the tawa. Tawa should be very hot when you are placing the naan on it. Place the water side on it. Stick it with your fingers little bit by pressing gently and let it cook for 2 minutes again on each side. Flip the tawa and cook it the upper side by moving the tawa towards the gas on each side, and your garlic naan is also will be ready. Here I have a different type of naan. I'll teach you how to make it. This is little bit leery and flaky. This is called lachcha naan. What I have done, I have rolled the dough like this. Now I am applying butter generously, sprinkling flour and just twisting the naan like this. Flip it and twist it in a circular disc shape and roll it again. This will make the naan very flaky and leery. I won't apply anything on the top. This is a buttery naan, so itself tastes very good. The gluten of the all-purpose flour or maida will tend to shrink it. So you need to stretch and roll the dough. I'm again applying batter on one side, flipping it on a plate and applying water on the other side. Following the same procedure, place the water side on the very hot tawa and let it cook for 2 minutes. In these 2 minutes, the bubbles are coming up. So, it's cooked already. I am flipping the tawa facing the front surface of the naan towards the smoke, towards the gas. So, my lachcha naan is already cooked. You can see how flaky. The both sides are cooked. All my 3 types of naans are ready now. As this kind of naan is flaky, I am applying little bit of butter on the top as it's plain in flavor. So, here you go. All the naans are ready.